radar here now. Did not know that. Nice. Guess we'll head up to Manayunk, check out the dealership. I doubt they're open, but maybe there's going to be some bikes around. Who the hell knows? Head up there, see what's going on, spin around, come back down Kelly. It is pretty hot, so I'm not sure how long I want to be out here. We'll just play it by ear though. Ooh, 2 bikes. 2 KLXs actually. I don't know if those were the 300s or what. Spinaroo. Man, I really need to find like a track to ride. I guess I need to get a suit first, but like, I want to be able to ride fast, and just anywhere around Philly, there's just nowhere good to ride fast. Porsche wants to play, I can tell. I don't want to go full Yami Newville either, if you know what I mean. There's a little wheelie. You really need to just rev the piss out of this bike to get it to the front wheel to come up. Dude, that downshift had me lock up the rear edge for a second. She's even got the Triumph backpack. That guy fucked up so hard. You're gonna want to get over. is smoking a cigarette right now at the gas pump. Literally smoking a cigarette. Hoping I'd run into Killer Cam at this Sunoco. Whew, it's so hot, bro. One wheel gang out here, dude. Let's run it back. Let's run it back, baby.